Spring travel is officially here, but don't let a messy suitcase ruin your style. Want to keep your spring wardrobe wrinkle-free without wrestling with a clunky iron? Finding the best portable steamer 2026 has to offer is the ultimate life hack. First, let's talk about the Hilife Steamer for clothes. It's the Amazon bestseller for a reason. With a massive 240 milliliters tank, it gives 15 minutes of continuous steam, perfect for a week's travel outfits. Need more power? The Conair Turbo ExtremeSteam is an iron killer. Its dual heat system and built-in creaser make it ideal for heavy fabrics and professional looks. For the minimalist packers, the BLACK+DECKER Advanced Handheld Steamer is your winner. It heats up in under 45 seconds and has a lockable trigger for quick hotel room touch-ups. Heading to a spring wedding or a weekend getaway, these top picks save hours of prep time. For the full spec comparison and maintenance tips, click the link in the description below.